All right, guys, off-road family, and I need to make a video here real quick about what I used to do with the drones and stuff. Everybody's like, "Where did your channel go? Why are you not doing the drones anymore?" And let me go ahead and address that real quick. Um, Real simple. I didn't think I was going to have to get into this because I completely got rid of all my other content. My channel that took me 7 years to build and so on. YouTube doesn't pay anything, so I figured, what the hell? Doesn't matter, just get rid of it. Um, but the issue, the issue is drone community. Uh, Regulations. They're going to ban this, they're going to ban that. You know what? I don't need to get caught up in any of that stuff. It's aggravating. Why would you want to go out and just fly, and take the chance? Or somebody, I've had enough people screaming at me, and you can't fly this here, you can't fly this here, you're spying on me, blah, blah, blah. Guys, I have decided, and it's been coming for a while. If you were watching my other channel before, you knew that the drones and me were done. It was just a matter of time. And I saw the opportunity to go ahead and squash it and get into what I truly have a passion about. You know, I did like flying the drones back when it was fun and they were new. But now it's like, it's really, I need to get that aggravation out of my life. So I have focused my channel, and it's not for monetary gain. And because I really don't care if I have the subscribers, I have focused my channel, the one that I'm doing now, on off-road. You know, um, Off-road, whether it be Jeeps, jet skis, four-wheelers. That is what I'm truly passionate about. And I spend a lot of time modifying Jeeps, um, four-wheelers, you name it. It's what I'm about. So my content on this channel is going to be just that. And if I get a few views, hey, it's fine. It's just me having fun. And I'm actually in the process of probably opening up a Jeep customization shop. I'm not going to do repairs. I can't stand doing repairs. I just want to custom build things. Um, it's what I like. So between that and the content of being off road, different places we're gonna go, going badge hunting. If you know what that is for the Jeep Honor badges. Um, yeah, that's what this channel is all about now. You will never see any drone content on here. I'm done with that. I really can't stand anything to do with them. It was so bad that I had a constant bad attitude. There's other people in the drone community that are known for being serious assholes, and I get it. I get it. Uh, I know why they're like that now. I really do. Because when you talk to these people and have to deal with this type of people all the time, whew, yeah. So it's not for me. I've decided to give it up. I don't even enjoy flying drones anymore. I don't even want to pick up a drone. I have a couple of small drones, like FPV style drones and stuff, that I probably won't even fly. Once in a while, you may see some of my content on trails where I might put a drone up and have it follow me through the trails or something like that. But other than that, you're not going to see drone content on here. So, guys, keep watching. I hope you subscribe. If you don't, that's fine. Like I said, I'm not subscriber based like I was on the other one. I had 18,000 subscribers on the last channel, and I completely demolished the channel. It's gone. You can't find it anymore. I don't want anything to do with it. So, off-road. If you're interested in that, follow me. If not, have a good life, and we'll meet you sometime. See you later.